Unraveling Keep Count, a simple guide to the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations: keep count. Whether you're counting the days until a special event or keeping score in a game, understanding this phrase is key to staying on top of numbers in English. So, let's get started and discover what it really means to keep count. Keep count is a phrase used to describe the action of continuously counting or recording numbers as they change. It's like being a human scoreboard, where you track the progress of something numerically. This can apply to anything from counting calories in a diet to tallying up points in a basketball game. This versatile phrase comes in handy in various scenarios. Let's say you're doing a science experiment and need to keep count of how many times a reaction occurs. Or maybe you're in charge of scoring a game. In both cases, keeping count is crucial. It's about maintaining an accurate record as events unfold. To truly grasp keep count, it helps to see it in action. Imagine a teacher asking students to keep count of how many books they read in a month. Or, consider a fitness coach encouraging their client to keep count of their daily steps. These examples show how keep count is used in regular conversation. There you have it. Keep count is all about tracking numbers and staying updated. Whether you're counting down the days to your birthday or keeping score in sports, this phrase will be a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has shed some light on how to keep count in English. See you next time.